This is the powered overhead studio loft. It provides for a 48 by 80 inch overhead sleeping area. We still maintain the cabinet storage over the cockpit area. It does include a convenient ladder should you need it, although most will jump in off of the Rest Easy sofa. Inside this compartment right here is where you'll find controls for that powered studio loft bed. It very simply glides down with the touch of a 12-volt motor. You do not have to change the front cab seats. They can maintain themselves as additional lounge seating for the coach. Tremendous weight capacity up top here and an oversized 48 by 80 inch sleeping surface. It does then include additional lighting overhead, a catch net area so that things don't roll off and fall into the cockpit. But we still maintain that cabinetry storage on the driver and passenger side as well as in the front cab. So again, that is the powered studio loft bed.